Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bolurex again. It's another Saturdays with Bolurex, and today we're talking about something that can change your life. That is pushing beyond your limit. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Today we're talking about pushing beyond your limit and trying new things. Okay, before we go into that, if you're coming across this video for the very first time, do well to like, share and comment, and don't forget to hit the subscription button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. I love you. Alright, so without wasting our time today, pushing beyond your limit and trying new things. We all have those moments where we feel stuck, right? Where we are just like stuck somewhere. Okay, whether it's in our career, our personal life, or even our hobbies. What if I told you that breaking out of your comfort zone could unlock a world of opportunities? Let's dive into how you can actually make that happen. Are you ready? Let's go! Alright, first off, let's talk about why we resist change. As humans, we naturally seek comfort. Yeah, that's right. We naturally seek comfort. It's our brain's way of protecting us from the unknown. But there's this thing, nothing grows in the comfort zone. I said so. Nothing grows in the comfort zone. Every time you challenge yourself, you gain confidence. The unfamiliar, the unknown doesn't feel scary anymore. Yeah. So, why stay stuck when you can move forward? Why? Now, the first step is taking them small. Look, you don't have to jump into the deep right away. Begin with something simple. If you are always wanting to try painting, don't worry about being a professional at the first time. Start with just a few strokes of the brush. It could even be learning something new online. It doesn't matter what it is. Make sure you're taking the first step. Remember, small wins lead to a big accomplishment. You don't have to go big all at once. Progress is progress. The second step is embracing discomfort. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it, alright? Trying new things can feel uncomfortable. The first time I tried baking, I made a mess out of it. I was terrified. But guess what? I did it anyway. And with each attempt, it got easier and it got better. Being uncomfortable means you're growing. Every time you try something new, you build resilience. So instead of shying away from discomfort, lean into it, feel it. It means you are on the right path. Now, step 3 is getting realistic goals. Don't try to climb a mountain in one day. Break down your bigger goals into smaller, tiny pieces, into something manageable, into a manageable task. For example, if you're trying to improve your fitness, instead of saying, I want to be fit by next month, set a goal like, I'll work out for 20 minutes 3 times this week. It's specific, it's achievable, and it keeps you on the track. By setting realistic goals, you get a sense of progress, and once you achieve the small goal, it will give you the momentum to tackle bigger challenges. Yeah. The fourth step is surround yourself with positive influences. This could mean finding a mentor, connecting with people who motivate you, or even joining a group with similar interests. When you are trying to push beyond your limit, it helps to have a support system that believes in you and encourages you, not the one that discourages you or makes you feel, oh, what are you doing? Positive-minded people that will influence you, that will encourage you to go all the way non-stop. Don't be afraid to lean on others when you're stepping into new territory. It's easier when you have people cheering you on. Lastly, celebrate the wins. Every win is a win. Every little win is a win. No matter how small, every win remains a win. Every time you push yourself to try something new, you are accomplishing something it's important to take a moment to acknowledge how far you've come. Whether it's getting through your first week of new routine or learning a new skill, celebrate it. Celebrate. So, there you have it. Pushing beyond your limits isn't always easy. It's 100% worth it. Start small. Embrace discomfort. Set realistic goals. Surround yourself with positivity and celebrate every victory along the way. Remember, the only limits that exist are the ones you place on yourself. Now, go out there and start pushing beyond your limits. I believe in you. On this channel, Bolurex believes in you. On this note, I'd like to draw the curtain. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, bye.